Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again building something from the world of Fortnite. If you could not tell by me standing in front of the camera, I now have merchandise. You can buy it. It's linked down in the description, underneath the description, at the end of the video, on my social media. You can buy something from my store and do two things at once. One, throw a couple bucks my way to help me continue to make videos for you, and wear my logo out in public so that people can ask you what is Much Props and you can tell them about these videos. Speaking of videos, let's get on with this. I recently built DJ Yonder, and he has this awesome black acrylic visor, and I still have quite a bit of that left over. I'll also link this down in the description. It's 1/8 inch acrylic. I was thinking maybe try and make a shadow stone, make it glow from the inside. Sounds like a good idea. Let's make the shadow stone from Fortnite. Let's get to building. we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, very pleased with the way it turned out. As you can see, or can't see, it's kind of difficult to see with the lights on, especially for really bright studio lights shining in my face, but in the dark it's very easy to see, and even in, you know, just regular light settings you can see it glowing. But I think it turned out pretty cool. Alexa, turn studio lights on. It turned out better than I expected. I did have to make a few modifications to my plans. I was going to use some window tint stuff that I thought I could get a hold of, but I couldn't find it where I was at, and I had to do a few things that I thought I was going to do that I wasn't going to do, like tape it off instead of using the Q-tips. But I think that this effect actually worked in my favor, because on the cube those symbols kind of appear and disappear, so I think this kind of works out in my advantage, not being a straight clean line. So maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your Shadowstone building skills, so much so that they think you're a witch and try to burn you at the stake. I'm not a witch. It's not magic. It's acrylic. I bought it at Amazon. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them much props. Let's see if this works. Just gotta, you know, activate it. I guess it worked. Can you see me? Let's see if I can phase through the camera.